Hi, I'm Mark Green and I'm here to show you how to replace the blade on the Novitool Pun M NDX 114mm. First, ensure the belt support table is positioned so there is sufficient access to the 3 pins on the front of the table. Be sure the crank handle is locked in the up position with the locking pin engaged. Try to rotate the handle to ensure the locking pin is engaged. With a 4mm hex wrench, loosen and remove the 3 screws holding the blade holder in place. And then turn over the blade holder and place it on the 3 pins on the support table. Once in place, I can loosen my 2 thumb screws, carefully remove the blade, and then insert my new blade, making sure that my blade edges flush up with the edges on my blade holder before tightening down. And then I'll just remove the protective blade cover. We can now reinstall the blade holder by putting it in position and pushing it up against the shelf in the machine, and then installing our 3 screws. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to punch your next belt with your Novitool Pun M NDX.